Okay guys, so enough introductions, let's get into it. So as you can see, we are using Micromine 2018, and this is what you get when you open the software. So uh, let's get into creating a new project, or at least show you guys how to do it. So the first thing that you would do is to go to File and go to Project, and you can go to New or open an existing project, but I'm showing you how to view the project manager. So you click on Manage in here, and you will get this window in which we can see that we already have that we've got a previous project in here called Micromine Training, which is already open, because Micromine, when you open it, it will automatically load the last project that you worked on. As you can see, we have the name of the project in here, the title, which is pit design, because we are going to cover pit design in this training, and we have here the path to or the folder where we've stored all our files. So to start a new project, all you have to do is to click on New, and for the name, you can name this whatever you want. For example, here we've got Micromine Training. You can call this, for example, Micromine Training 2. This is the location where you want to save your data. You navigate to your system folders and you store it to wherever you want to store that. And here you call it you give a name to your project. We call it pit design in our case. Of course, you can choose either metric or imperial. For this one, do not or if you want, you can use some sort of structures to your project file. So it's going to be structured based on the file type. So we're not going to do that for this tutorial because we know what we're doing, or at least that's what I thought. Okay, so let's close this and just select that one in there and go to open. Okay, we've got the same project in here. We got the project name and the title, Micromine Training and Pit Design. Okay, so you get this when you start a new project. You get the VisX forms. These are the like I said, the data are stored in based on their type, either if they're string file, points, contour data, or whatever. So string file, by the way, is some sort of a polyline, but inside these mining packages, like if you're familiar with Surpac, they call it string 2, and Vulkan, MineSite, and all the other mining packages, they call the polyline, they call them strings. Okay, so we got the points. A point is a point. Contour, which means the contour data for elevations and topography. We have drill holes, all the other types, block model and wireframes and all of that. Okay, so we have here the different layers that we have in here. VisX, by the way, is the let's say the where all the visualization happens. They call it VisX because they combine two words like Visual Explorer, and they call it VisX because it's because they can do that. Okay, so don't worry about the name. So the first thing that I want to do, because I like black, let's change this background color to black. So you click this change VisX theme. You click it once, twice, and choose whatever color you want. So now we can see that we have this one here. So let's take a look at the basic navigation. So you can click this for different views. Now we're viewing on plan view. Let's go to the looking app, and it's basically the same thing. We're not going to notice any, but take a look at this. Okay, and we can view it from all the different sides, or what I can do is to hold shift and click on the mouse wheel, and you will be able to rotate the view. Okay, now probably this looks a little bit confusing right now because we don't have any 3D object to view. So we'll cover that in the next video.